Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let us introduce ourselves. My name is Nabila Octaviana and then
Aisyah Nurrahma
and
Omni Solihan.
we are the students of Arabic Language Study Program, Faculty of Education and Teacher Training with Sultan Maulana Hasanuddin Banten.
This video was made as part of our final project for the English 1 course, and our leader is Miss Fadila Octaviana.
In this video, we are going to explain the one of grammar topics in English, and the topics we chose is sentence.
We hope this video will be helpful and easy to understand.
Let's begin by understanding what a sentence is. The definition of a sentence is a group of words that expresses a complete idea. In English, a sentence must have at least a subject and a verb, and it must make sense as a whole. We use sentence when we want to communicate our thought clearly, whether it's to share information, ask a question, give a comment, or expresses emotion. For example, the cat is sleeping. This is a complete sentence. It has a subject, the cat, and a verb is sleeping, and it clearly tells you something. But if we say something like, Apple ate him, that's not a proper sentence. It doesn't follow the correct word order and it does not express a full thought.
Now that we know what a tense is, let's take a closer look at the two main parts of a tense, the subject and the predicate. First, the subject. The definition of a subject is the part of the tenses that does action or that the tenses is talking about. In other words, the subject is who or that this tenses is about. Subject can be noun, pronoun, phrase, or even a non-clause. We use the subject to show who is doing the action or being described. Let me give you some examples, the tenses and the point out the subject in each one. Lisa is reading a book. They are playing football. My brother loves to cook. The tall man walked into the room. In each tenses, the subject comes first, and it tells you we are that the tenses is about. Next, the predicate. The definition of the part of the tenses that tells you something about the subject. It usually contains a verb and gives us information about what the subject does or is. We use the predicate to describe action or conditions related to the subject. Here are some examples with the subject highlighted. Lisa is reading a book. They are playing football. My brother loves to cook. The tall man walked into the room. In each tenses, the predicate tells you what the subject is doing or what is happening to the subject.
Let's talk about the types of sentence in English based on their purpose. In daily life, we use different sentence types to express ideas, ask questions, give instructions, or show emotions. There are 4 types: declarative, interrogative, imperative, and exclamatory. Let's go through them one by one. First, the declarative sentence. The definition of a declarative sentence is a sentence that gives a statement or provides information. It's the most common type of sentence in English. We use this kind of sentence when we want to say something clearly without asking or commenting. It usually ends with a period. Let me give you an example. He goes to school. They are singing a song. These are calm and simple statements that just give the facts. Okay, next is the interrogative sentence. The definition of an interrogative sentence is a sentence that asks a question and ends with a question mark. It is used when we want to find out information from someone. This type often begins with question words like what, where, or how. Let me give you an example. Where are you going? Or do you use your laptop? These questions expect the answer. Okay, now let's look at the imperative sentence. The definition of an imperative sentence is a sentence that gives you a command, request, or advice. We use this sentence when we want to tell someone to do something, politely or strongly. It can end with a period or an exclamation mark. Some examples are open the door or please help me. This type is very common in everyday situations. And finally, the last is the exclamatory sentence. The definition of an exclamatory sentence is a sentence that expresses strong emotion. It always ends with an exclamation mark. It is used when we want to show surprise, excitement, or other strong feelings. For example, what a beautiful flower it is. Oh, that is fantastic. This sentence shows how we feel in a big way. So, to summarize, we have declarative sentence to state facts, interrogative sentence to ask questions, imperative sentence to give comments, and exclamatory sentence to express strong emotions. Each one has a definition, a specific use, and clear examples.
Okay, that's all for our explanation about sentence in English grammar.
We have discussion about definition of sentence, its structure, and the types of sentence with examples.
We hope this presentation is useful for your learning and helps you understand the topic better.
Thank you for watching this video.
And don't forget to keep practicing English in your daily life.
See you next time.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.